Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken with sour cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1½ pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Also, have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic ready. Next, prepare your chicken. Cut the boneless, skinless chicken into 1-inch pieces. Season these pieces generously with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the seasoned chicken to the hot skillet and cook until it is lightly browned on all sides, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. After browning the chicken, remove it from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and garlic, sautéing until they are fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Reduce the heat to low, then gently stir in 1 cup of sour cream until smooth. Finally, combine everything for a delicious meal. Return the cooked chicken pieces to the skillet with the sour cream sauce. Stir gently to coat all the chicken. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the chicken to heat through. Garnish with fresh parsley or chives, then serve immediately over rice, pasta, or mashed potatoes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.